Did you know that invisible plastic particles are secretly destroying bird populations worldwide? Here's the shocking truth. When migratory birds feed in farmlands, they unknowingly consume microplastics mixed with their food. These toxic particles invade their digestive cells, disrupting normal cell division and preventing successful reproduction. Scientists discovered these invisible menaces reduce bird fertility by interfering with meiosis, creating a devastating chain reaction through entire ecosystems. As bird populations decline, both predator and prey populations become unstable. What other wildlife might be silently suffering from our plastic pollution? Follow for more environmental insights.